And good evening, everyone, in strategic trading. This is Brian Swan once again back at you. All right, now we are going to take off on lesson two of how we set our trades up and why we set our trades up the way we set them up and what we're looking for. Now, first thing we're going to do is yesterday we were in a euro dollar position for our doubling of our account value size. Now, like I said, we have an account value size in this position of around $3,000. And what we're looking to do is we are looking to double our position in 20 trades. Now, this means that we are looking at, in this case, in this instance, it will be 25 pips at $6 a pip, which will be $150 a trade. And we are now in trade number 2 of 20. And one of the things that a lot of people ask and they wonder about is our indicators and what indicators we use and why and what so forth and all this good stuff. First of all, understand something. Indicators always tell you what has happened. All right. Indicators are not, they're really a misnomer. They really should say something as what, they should refer to what has already happened. But indicating is a term which leads you to perceive that it is telling you what is coming, and this is not true. But that being said, you can see that yesterday we had a position that we hit at at 17. So buying at 1720 is what we hit last night, and right now we're looking to go up and breach we've breached the 1790 area. Okay, 1790, and we're looking at hitting the 1833 area is going to be 25 pips from our entry spot. Now, the main indicator values are the parabolic stop and reverse system, which are the green dots that are above and below the candlesticks, Bollinger Bands, which I have a setting of 25 and 3 for the Bollinger Bands. And then there is the Williams percent indicator, and I also have the volume that I like to look at. But now the Williams percent indicator in this case, it will be the one which tells us, in my opinion, to keep on going. All right. Now, first of all, you see that the Williams percent indicator operates like an RSI, overbought and oversold, and it is now reaching to the overbought area, but it's not quite there. So once price reaches that area, and it reaches the zero area, which is, you can see when it reached around the 100 frame, it did a reverse and it came back and it started to continue the other way. Now, looking at this 4-hour chart, I see the same forces continuing on, and that is what we're looking for, and that is what we're looking to do with this system right here. So that is just one of many indicators. Now, also with the parabolic stop and reverse system, once price breaches the top or the bottom indicators, the top or the bottom dots, then, and at that point, you are going to have a reversal, and you should keep on going in the direction that the candles are now aimed, which is now up. But there's one I forgot, and that is fractals. If you see down where we breached the candlestick, where we breached the lower red line, our lower perimeter last night, you will see that we have a huge fractal, which is that blue arrow that I have at the end of that long wick in the candlestick at the bottom there, which is really an up signal for the for the currency pair. Okay, and fractals are huge, and you should definitely incorporate them into your trading. And there are plenty of videos on them on YouTube. You can find them. And Bill Williams is, in my opinion, an absolute genius. And what he has to say about fractals is huge. So look that up, and that is what we're looking at. So now, on a 4-hour chart, so we have indicated we have breached here, and we are looking to gain 25 pips in the upward direction. I will go ahead and bring this down to a 5-minute chart. And on a 5-minute chart, well, let it catch up to me here. Now, on a 5-minute chart, you can see that we have also breached here. And one of the things that we're going to do is, you can see that now support, all right, or excuse me, resistance has become support. Right now, you can see that what once was a top area of resistance, which is our entry area, is now an area of support. Now, I'm a big fan and believer in not letting a winner turn to a loser. But now, one thing is you don't want to be too careful and too cautious in your trading to the extent that what I mean is we have last night we made we made an inroad into our profit area. But price did come out of some and it bounced around there, right? We did not want to go ahead and move our stop loss right to break even immediately. Had we done that, we would have been stopped out of the trade on several occasions. But now that we are actually up over the for the course of the week now, because we were up a trade of $150 yesterday, we can carry that position on into where we are now. Now we were looking for 25 pips and we have a stop loss of around 12. So in this one we came in at 1788 with a stop loss of 1776, which is 12 pips. In this case, what we're going to do, because that is half of what we were, as actually half of what we were made last night, and we are looking to go ahead and cut that loss. Well, cut the potential loss that we're facing now, which is only $75. All right, we want to cut that loss even down less because we do not want to turn any profit back at all. Now, by this methodology that we have now, if price was to revert tonight and we were to be having a losing trade, we ended up in a losing trade from this position, we could still tomorrow be in profit because we will only have lost half of what we made last night. So because we were in victory last night, we have two trades that we can actually enter and be profitable with. But what we're going to do is we're going to cut that level in half off the top. So now that will give us 4 trades that we can lose and still be in profit with the system that we currently have. So we're going to increase our stop loss and bring it up from, decrease our stop loss and bring it up from 1776 down to, up to 1782 is where we bring that up to, which is around 6 pips. And it cuts the difference in half, basically. You want to cut the difference that you have in half, and that will be that. Now, the question was also the currency pair that I'm using, the euro dollar. Is this the currency pair that you always use? No. You can use any currency pair, but you should also know that the average true range of a currency pair, how it travels on a daily basis, how many pips, not direction, but how many pips it travels on a daily basis. The euro dollar is actually the highest average true range currency pair because it is the most highly traded pair. It is the most liquid pair. So therefore, it is the pair that will do the most traveling as it stands right now. And because we're looking to get a number of pips, a set number of pips, 25 pips per trade, that is the factor that means the most in my thinking. So we're looking to get 25 pips in the right direction, the direction being neutral to us because we entered into a buy and sell trade. Now, actually, there's something I'm going to take the opportunity and I'm going to show you guys the opportunity. I'm going to show you guys something that is unique. And I feel that it is a system of trading that I haven't shared with a lot of people, but I want to share it with you all tonight. Let me go ahead and pause this and we will set it up right now. All right, guys. Well, due to circumstances, we're going to go ahead and end this video right here. And the next video I show you will be on our insurance trading. But right now, this is going to be the end of our video on lesson 2 on doubling up your account size and what we're doing. So we're going to look at this and see how it plays out. But what we did do was we went ahead and we moved the stop loss up to break even, and we are looking to either break even at 17. At 18:30, at 18:15, this is going to be a break-even position, and or we will look. We're looking to make a profit at 18:15, and we will break even at the entry level. So we've already set the trades up, and we're already in place, and that is what we're doing. And I will get back in touch with you guys on a later date. Y'all have a great day. See you tomorrow.